Oh, they came out. They're going to the right.
Okay. Oh, I
Them?
see him. Yeah, yeah.
He see me. He see me. One of them see me. He's still by the diner. One guy's still by the diner.
I hit him once. I'm wrapping around right where the other guy ran. 'Cause he's probably gonna push you.
The other guy?
You knocked him?
No, I shot him. I shot him.
Okay. He's still there at the broken wall? Knocked him?
No.
Yeah, knocked broken wall?
One guy's you shot him by the diner?
Yeah, yeah, at the broken wall.
One guy's still by the diner.
I hit him once. I'm wrapping around right where the other guy ran. He's probably gonna push
Shot the other guy?
you. Knocked him?
No, I shot him. I shot him.
Okay. He's still there at the broken wall?
No.
Knocked him? Yeah, knocked broken wall?
One guy's you shot him by the diner?
Yeah, yeah, at the broken wall.
One guy's still by the blue
Yeah, but the start.
got him.
Woo! Headshot his ass, bro.
Good
There was
shit.
a second one there too?
Yeah, I killed the second one. Something.
Those yellows. We might be finding someone at those yellows to our left. Be straight here. Oh!
The hell, the hell.
Yeah. I don't see him.
Neither.
Oh, I see him. Knocked him? I don't know where his boy's at. You got him. Good shit. Woo!
Oh, no, I didn't kill him. I killed the guy. Up the hill.
Yeah. I don't see him.
Me neither.
Oh, I see him. Knocked him? I don't know where his boy's at. You got him. Good shit. Woo!
No, I didn't kill him. I killed the guy you downed.
Shit.
Killed the guy you downed.
Okay.
I don't know where the other guy is.
Is that that compound maybe?
Get a scope?
2x? Oh shit!
Here somewhere.
He's fragging? Yeah, he's somewhere in front of us.
Yeah, I don't see him. He's you though.
Fucking suppressed. Hard to see. I'm gonna push this compound. Fuck it, let's just push this compound or something.
Compound.
Or nah, we gotta keep getting in. Let's just keep pushing. Just gotta watch our back though.
Open field. Oh.
think I'm gonna stop behind this tree maybe?
What's up, bro?
Fuck, yeah. You can keep going. Fuck, man. Hello?
Okay, just turn on for Kimball.
Alright, I might need a little minute because we're right at the end right now. Alright? Sorry. And I don't have any cover on here. Fucking forgot the case.
Peace. Watch up the hill. Fuck, open field again.
Push this rock here into the... Oh yeah. Fuck.
Oh, guy ahead, guy in front, guy in front.
Up the hill?
Northwest.
I see him. He's only knocked. Oh, to my left, he knocked me. Into the... Oh yeah. Fuck.
Oh, guy ahead, guy in front, guy in front. Northwest.
Up the hill?
Yeah, he's up to you.
I see him. He's only knocked. Oh, to to my left. He knocked me. Did you get him?
Yeah, I killed him. I
He
killed him.
goes to right.
Pick you up. I'll pick you up.
Alright, you gotta run. Alright, you gotta run. I'm gonna heal.
Yeah. If you got a fucking scope, man, I need a scope. At first aid and dip. There's a 4X, hell yeah. Take that.
Holstering.
Suppressor for AR.
Pushing left. Like I'm following this
Okay.
thing left.
Consumables. Yeah, I'm gonna go to your left. I'm gonna go to your left.
Dude, I think I have to run down real quick. Sorry, man. Alright, I'm back.
These guys are southeast. These guys are southeast.
Okay. Oh shit, 2v2?
Yeah, I see them. I see them. Dropped him. Dropped him.
Ah, he's in front of him. He's by the road.
Oh, he got me. He got me. Fuck.
Alright, I'm back.
These guys are southeast. These guys are southeast.
Okay. Oh shit, 2v2?
See them. I see them. Dropped him. Dropped him.
Ah, he's in front of him. He's by the road.
Oh, he got me. He got me. Fuck. Still by the road. He's running. He's running. He's still. Ooh. He's.
There's only one, right?
Yeah, it's just him. It's just him.
Got him.
Oh, good shit.
Woo! Good shit, boy.
Good shit. Oh, he got me. He got me. Fuck. He's still by the road. He's running. He's running. He's still. Ooh. He's.
There's only one, right?
Yeah, it's just him. It's just him.
Got
Oh,
him.
good shit.
Woo! Good shit, boy.
Good shit.
Oh.